As we age, certain topics become harder to approach, especially when it comes to sexual health. But here's the harsh reality. If you're a man entering your 60s, 70s, or beyond, and you've stopped engaging in sexual activities or masturbation, you may be unknowingly harming your own health. We often think of masturbation as something that's only for the young. But the truth is, as men get older, masturbation can be an essential part of maintaining not only sexual function, but overall health. From erectile dysfunction to pelvic pain, the consequences of ceasing sexual activity, especially masturbation, are more serious than you might imagine. We are often told that aging means slowing down, that intimacy should be something reserved for the young. But here's the thing. Your body isn't ready to quit, even if your mind believes it is. In fact, stopping altogether may cause serious long-term problems that could have been avoided. And it's time to talk about it openly and without shame. I'm Dr. Blake Morgan, a urologist with over 30 years of experience, so you might be wondering, why is masturbation so important as I age? Isn't it just for the younger generations? And if I stop, won't my body just adapt? The truth is, the more you understand about the effects of aging on your body, the clearer it becomes. Engaging in sexual activity, including masturbation, is not just about pleasure, it's about health. As men age, changes in hormones, blood circulation, and muscle tone all affect how the body responds to sexual stimuli. This is why stopping masturbation can lead to significant health problems. It's not just about losing sexual pleasure. It can affect your prostate health, circulation, mental clarity, and even your emotional well-being. Throughout this video, we'll explore 5 crucial reasons why not masturbating as you age can have severe consequences. These aren't just minor inconveniences. They're things that affect the quality of your life, your self-esteem, and your health in ways you might never have expected. 1. Why masturbation maintains sexual function as we age. One of the most common changes men experience is a decrease in libido and a decline in sexual function. Many men believe that this decline is inevitable and that there's nothing they can do to maintain their sexual health. However, what if I told you that continuing regular sexual activity, even masturbation, could be key to maintaining not only your desire, but also your ability to perform sexually well into your later years? Let's take the example of Jim, a 72-year-old man who had never thought much about masturbation once his wife passed away. He thought he was just getting older, and his decreased libido was a natural part of aging. But as time went on, Jim found that he had trouble achieving erections, and even when he could, they didn't last as long as they used to. He visited his urologist, who recommended regular sexual activity, including masturbation, to maintain healthy blood flow and circulation to the penis. Jim was hesitant at first but decided to follow the advice. A few months later, his erections improved and he felt more energetic and confident. It wasn't magic, but his body responded to the activity. It had been waiting for that kind of stimulation. Sexual activity, including masturbation, helps maintain the health of pelvic floor muscles, promotes better blood circulation, and reduces stress, ultimately leading to better sexual health. It also helps to improve testosterone levels, which naturally decline with age, leading to a drop in sexual desire and overall energy levels. Regular sexual activity can counteract these issues and prevent conditions like erectile dysfunction, ED, and premature ejaculation. 2. The dangers of ignoring your sexual health when you stop masturbating as you age. It can lead to serious health consequences, many of which are not immediately noticeable but grow worse over time. The most concerning impact is the decline in testosterone levels, which can result in reduced sexual desire, energy, and mood swings. Additionally, without regular sexual activity, blood flow to the genital area can decrease, leading to erectile dysfunction. Consider Robert, a 65-year-old man who, after his retirement, started to withdraw from his usual activities. including his once regular masturbation routine. He thought it would be fine to give up on it. Over the years, he began feeling more fatigued and noticed that his libido wasn't what it used to be. His wife started to notice as well, and it led to tension in their relationship. When Robert went to his urologist, he was told that the lack of sexual activity had contributed to his lower testosterone levels and poor blood circulation, which were affecting his sexual performance. He was encouraged to reintroduce masturbation to improve his circulation and energy levels. By getting back into a routine, Robert began to feel more like himself, and his relationship improved as well. This decline isn't inevitable. Research shows that maintaining regular sexual activity, even if solo, can stimulate testosterone production, improve blood flow, and even reduce the risk of prostate issues. The more you neglect your sexual health, the more difficult it becomes to maintain a healthy sexual life and a strong sense of vitality as you age. 3. Mental health boost. How masturbation affects your mood. We often overlook the mental health benefits of masturbation, especially in older age. But regular sexual activity, including masturbation, can have profound effects on mood regulation and overall mental well-being. The act of orgasm triggers the release of endorphins, dopamine, and oxytocin, all of which are crucial for combating feelings of anxiety, depression, and loneliness. Take George, a 68-year-old man who had been feeling depressed and isolated after his wife's passing. He didn't realize how much his lack of intimacy had contributed to his mental health struggles. Once he started incorporating masturbation back into his life, he found that it significantly improved his mood. The endorphin rush helped him feel more positive and less anxious, and his overall sense of well-being improved. He began to engage more socially and even found that his sleep patterns improved, leaving him feeling refreshed every morning. As you get older, stress and isolation can become more pronounced, and masturbation serves as a natural way to reduce these negative effects. Not only does it release physical tension, but it also promotes a sense of calm and satisfaction, improving sleep and reducing feelings of stress and sadness. 4. Combat erectile dysfunction with regular masturbation. Erectile dysfunction, ED, is a common issue among older men, and while it's often seen as a natural part of aging, it doesn't have to be. When you stop engaging in sexual activity, the blood vessels that facilitate erections become less responsive. This leads to difficulty achieving and maintaining an erection. Frank, a 70-year-old man, had been dealing with ED for years. At first, he thought it was just part of getting older. But when he started following the advice of his urologist and resumed masturbation, his erections gradually improved. He was told that masturbation helps keep the blood vessels and tissues in the penis active and responsive, which helped restore some of his erectile function. Regular masturbation acts as a kind of exercise for the blood vessels in the penis, promoting healthy blood flow. This helps maintain the elasticity of blood vessels, which is crucial for erectile function. Neglecting this activity can exacerbate ED, making it harder to regain erectile function later on. 5. Improve your prostate health by staying active. The prostate, a small gland that plays a key role in sexual function, can become problematic as men age. It may enlarge, causing urinary problems and even increasing the risk of prostate cancer. However, regular ejaculation, whether through sex or masturbation, can flush out toxins and reduce the risk of prostate issues. John, a 74-year-old man, had been dealing with prostate issues for a few years. His doctor recommended regular ejaculation to reduce the risk of further complications. John wasn't sure at first, but after following his doctor's advice, he found that his prostate symptoms improved. Research has shown that men who ejaculate more frequently have a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. Keeping your prostate healthy is another important reason to maintain a sexual routine as you age. Final recap. Don't let aging derail your health. It's easy to dismiss masturbation as something unnecessary after a certain age. But in reality, it is an important part of maintaining both sexual health and overall well-being as you age. From improving blood circulation and hormone levels to boosting mental health and protecting the prostate, masturbation plays a vital role in your longevity. So, don't wait for problems to arise. If you've stopped masturbating, consider reintroducing it into your routine. The benefits far outweigh the temporary discomfort or embarrassment you may feel. Staying sexually active is about more than just pleasure. It's about maintaining your health and quality of life as you grow older. Don't let aging limit your vitality. Take control now. In today's video, we explored how masturbation can benefit older men in several key areas: prostate health. Regular ejaculation, through masturbation or intercourse, can help reduce the risk of prostate cancer and maintain overall prostate health. Sexual health and libido. Masturbation helps older men maintain their sexual health and prevent erectile dysfunction by promoting blood flow and reducing anxiety about performance. Mental and emotional benefits. Masturbation offers a way to alleviate stress, reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and foster a positive relationship with one's body. Self-empowerment. Masturbation provides a sense of control and emotional release, helping men feel empowered as they age. Masturbation is more than just a way to experience physical pleasure. It's a tool for maintaining holistic health. Regular masturbation can play an essential role in ensuring that men age gracefully and with vitality. If you're an older man and haven't thought about how masturbation fits into your life, it may be time to reconsider the importance of this practice. It's an act of self-care that benefits both the body and the mind. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more advice on aging and sexual health.